and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a back and shoulder workout using the bed. Since I'm traveling right now, I just kind of, you can pick and choose, what you want as far as, workout implement. This time I'm going to use the bed because it's easy and because, it's convenient, and also because it's padded. So therefore I have to incorporate balance into the workout, whereas if my hands are on a hard surface, then I don't have to worry about balance so much. But with this one, I definitely have to worry about balance, okay? So, because it's a padded surface. All right, so I did a similar exercise like this in a recent video, but I was using wider than shoulder width grip. Today I'm going to use just shoulder width grip, okay? So how that works is I just stick my feet out as far as possible, and always look up at the ceiling when you do the behind the back presses. Come down as far as you can. You'll find these get pretty difficult right away just because of the position, the hand position, everything is difficult. It's a difficult, awkward position to be in. So, and that's good. That actually makes the exercise more difficult and therefore beneficial. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, and you will find that it does get difficult pretty easy with the behind the back presses just because of the awkwardness of the position. But we'll press on anyway and just keep going. Just do as many as you can. This is not going to be a maxing workout. It's just going to be a regular workout. So. Okay, and if it gets difficult really easily, really quickly, then just maximize the ones that you can do. Slow down on the downward motion, and just try to get as good of a workout as you can. Okay, time. All right, yeah, behind the back presses, can be quite difficult. All right, but that's good. All right, I'm just gonna get a quick flex for about 20-30 seconds, just to rip those muscles a little bit more and give yourself, give yourself a nice little pump, basically, as you're doing the exercise. All right, so. Nice little flexes, just really, tighten your muscles a little bit more for stretching, before you stretch them out. You should always stretch before and after every workout. Okay, and that's probably good enough. All right, let's go 1 or 2 more times. This is just a maintenance workout, just an easy workout. Oh, boy. All right. Excellent workout. Okay. Home body weight workouts go quick, They really do. They go by really quickly. Even if you do them in the morning, you're feeling very slow in the morning, Oh, God. That's hard. Oh, that's very hard. Okay, so let's give another quick flex. Getting the line of the aircon, cool me off a little bit heated. So if I flex one more time, usually flex only for about 10-15 seconds. Just get a nice little additional flex in there. All right. And let's go one more time. We'll do a stop and hold. Okay, stop and hold. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So that was a nice little stop and holding feature there. Okay. And if I want to do max, maxing workout or superset, I want to max it just a little bit. And this is not going to be a maxing workout in terms of the classical sense, where just go for broke. Try a close hands position. Just try to do a couple. Close hands. Oh boy. And that's really difficult to balance because you're on the cushion. So it's a little bit difficult to balance, but that's okay. Difficulty to balance, adds more challenge to the exercise. Makes it a little more difficult. All right, so one more time. Okay, wow, it's tough. I'll try one more, and then we're going to call it quits. We don't need to. It's just a maintenance workout. It's just a kind of keep rolling workout instead of a maxing workout. Okay, and one more time. Okay, that's probably about all I can do. Yeah, but that's good. Nice little back workout, a nice little pump there, and adds a little extra benefit to your day. It's very easy to do. A couple minutes and you're done. And I don't know. I feel pretty pumped up.